contact form is essential for any website to get connected with potential clients and business partners. So look no further. Happy Elementor Add-ons lets you add a contact form easily with weForms plugin directly from your WordPress website. You can add styles, colors, adjust the height, weight, and more at your convenience. Let's see how to use weForms on your WordPress website powered by Elementor. First, you need to install and activate the plugins below: the free version of the Elementor plugin and the free version of the Happy Addons plugin. You also need the weForms plugin. Let's add a contact form like this one. Add the weForms widget from the left sidebar. Now select the form from the list. Please note, make sure to install and activate the weForms plugin first so you can create your form. Now click on Style to give a design of the form. Change the form fields, width, field spacing, border type, border width, color, border radius, box shadow, and typography. In the same way, click on the form field label to change the typography and required label color. Lastly, tap on the Submit button to stylize its border type, border width, background color, text color, hover effect, box shadow, and see other options with the changes. Explore the options one by one to get a better view of your form. Once you're done, save the updates and preview it. One more thing that you can do with your design is to add advanced functions. To do that, click on the Advanced settings, and here you can add the margin, padding, z-index, CSS ID, and CSS classes. For more information on designing your WordPress site, subscribe to our channel and connect us on our social pages to receive updates on designing your WordPress site using the Happy Addons plugin.